Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello. In this video, we shall discuss in brief the life and works of William Shakespeare. Shakespeare was born on 23rd April 1564 at Stratford-upon-Avon, Warwickshire. His father's name was John Shakespeare, who was a prosperous tradesman of the town. Like other boys of his town, he went to local grammar school where he was taught Latin and arithmetic. He left the school at the age of 14 to help his family by earning money on his own account. He married with Anne Hathaway at the age of 19. About 1587, he left his native town to seek his fortunes in London. At this time, drama was gaining popularity through the works of the university wits. Shakespeare soon turned to the stage and became an actor and then a playwright as well. He died on 23rd April 1616. His dramatic work comprises 37 plays which are divided into 4 periods. Early period. It was the period of experimentation. The works of this period are Lovers' Labours Lost, Thetos Andronics, The Two Gentlemen of Verona, The Comedy of Errors, A Midsummer Night's Dream, Richard III, and Romeo and Juliet. Second period. It was the period of the great comedies and chronicle plays. The works of this period are Richard II, The Merchant of Venice, King John, Henry IV, its first and second part, Henry V, The Taming of the Shrew, The Merry Wives of Windsor, Much Ado About Nothing, As You Like It, and Twelfth Night. Third period. It was the period of the great tragedies and comedies. The works of this period are Julius Caesar, Hamlet, All Is Well That Ends Well, Major for Major, Troilus and Cressida, Othello, King Lear, Macbeth, Antony and Cleopatra, Coriolanus, and Timon of Athens. Fourth period. It was the period of fine comedies or dramatic romances. The works of this period are Cymbeline, The Tempest, The Winter's Tale, Pericles, Henry VIII.